Gardner Denver Hydrovane Compressors. A Hydrovane compressor in Georgia is a long-term investment that will supply high-quality pulse-free air reliably and efficiently and can last up to 3 times longer than alternative technologies, when installed and maintained properly with the correct service guidelines. This compressor can last for as long as you want it to without replacements of any major components. In fact, 100,000 hours is not uncommon. The specific performance of the Gardner Denver Hydrovane compressor in Georgia is comparable with any alternative compression method. It is directly driven at a low speed with a minimum of internal stresses. This means that with proper maintenance, the compressor can run trouble-free without affecting your productivity and profitability. Following are the top 10 reasons why Hydrovane compressors in Georgia are simply the best value in rotary compressors. 1. Hydrovane has been designing and manufacturing rotary compressors for about 50 years. They have put over 890,000 units into a worldwide market, from the 2 horsepower to 100 horsepower range. 2. Gardner Denver Hydrovane compressors are all direct drive driven with a shock-absorbing coupling system. This eliminates the necessity for speed increasing gears and over-tensioning belts. 3. No matter what the compressor size or horsepower, Hydrovane compressors in Georgia run between 1450 to 2200 revolutions per minute, while the same size rotary screws compressors run from 250 to 9000 revolutions per minute. 4. Hydrovane compressors have 2 shell-type bearings that allow 100,000 to 150,000 hours of real running time. This is not a B10 or L10 bearing failure life rating, but true running hours in your facility. 5. Hydrovane compressors have no axial forces generated by the compressor. With no axial forces present, the need for complicated yet preloaded bearing configurations are not needed. The cost to rebuild an RSU is greatly reduced to that of a rotary screw-style compressor. 6. The Hydrovane Advanced 10 Extended Warranty Program is a unique market-leading compressor care package designed to deliver comprehensive warranty coverage for up to 10 years of 48,000 operating hours on all of their compressor air ends. 7. Gardner Denver Hydrovane compressors in Georgia have one of the most advanced control systems in today's market. With this system, air pressure can be held to a nominal 0.2 bar range without the need for expensive external components. The system has an immediate control adjustment to the changes that are taking place with your air requirements. 8. Hydrovane features all the control systems as standard machinery. 9. These compressors have the lowest oil carryover, with only a lesser than 3 ppm oil carryover. It utilizes a multi-level internal separation system before the vapor is ever introduced into the separators. This elevates their performance in their life. 10. The compressors have one of the smallest footprints in the industry. Combine that with their proven technology and 21st century performance and nobody can match their product line. If you would like more information regarding Gardner Denver Hydrovane compressors in Georgia, or you would like to know if they are right for your application, call our office and speak with one of our experts. Please keep in mind that we also offer engineering services.